Hello everybody, Brad Johnson here. Just giving you guys a quick update that there will be a Transmissions from Adronis webinar that's going to be taking place tomorrow at 11 a.m. Pacific, 2 p.m. Eastern. The Adronis webinar is a Q&A webinar, so all you have to do is just go to the video description down below. You'll see the link for the Zoom webinar. It's a free webinar to attend, and you can talk to Adronis directly on Zoom. So I'm only taking questions just from the Zoom audience, but it will also be simultaneously broadcast onto YouTube as well. Other news is that there is a big major update that's coming for both the Etherics Prana bed and Taurus bed. A lot of significant changes are going to be made to these beds where they're going to be much more expansive with their capabilities in healing the body. Basically going into the DNA level and starting to clean up DNA, working to basically transmute parasites, pathogens, viruses, bacteria, toxins within the body, transmuting those and putting them into the organs, the glands, and the bodily systems. So there's a major update for those of you who already have the Prana beds and the Taurus beds. If you don't have them, then I suggest you get them, because this is going to be a really big game-changing update for those of you who have both bed kits. So again, you can check that out also in the video description. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I'll have some more updates for you soon. Looking forward to talking to you guys tomorrow for Transmissions from Adronis. Take care, namaskar, and may it be well with you. Take care.